guys, and welcome back. This video is actually sponsored by Breaker 50. Big shout out to brother Bryce. Bryce is actually a jiu-jitsu instructor in Maui, and during the pandemic he's picked up fishing. So be like Bryce, he's a smart guy. He decided to take up something else during this pandemic. Mahalo Breaker 50. So brother Curbs and I have made our way to the south. We live on the exact opposite side of the island, so we have to wake up pretty early. Probably could have woken up a little bit earlier. We made it here safely. That is the main thing. The drive here in the morning during sunrise is incredible. Trying to stick my arm out of the window, trying to get a good shot of Mauna Kea. My hand literally felt like it was freezing trying to get a sick shot. Even though we left early, it still took us 5 hours to get here. And of course we gotta stop at the store to get the essentials. Okay, here, go smash them all the way. Just broke all your balls. Okay, one more time. Boom. Especially Jehara, you know what I mean. I had to get some last minute taco from Jehara's store. The drive from Hilo to Southside was insane. It was actually very nice seeing some native plants growing on the side of the road instead of all those invasive species. It's pretty nice to see the ohia trees. It was even pretty cool to see that green moss. I think it's called usnea. It grows on the ohia trees and it's pretty cool looking. I don't know if it's good for the trees. You don't want to mess with Southside. So we came out to the Southside, we met up with some friend of ours. Of course we got to meet up with my cousin Yesa fishing and our friend Kaulu, the drone wizard. It's pretty funny because fishing brought us together and so did drone fishing, and none of us has a drone. I lost my drone, Yesa lost his drone, Kaulu doesn't have one, so we are the droneless drone boys. Yesa, you guys stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos, and let's get fishing. We're about to leave. I see this line over here. Come on guys. Pick up your rubbish. Oh, look them. Mean. Oh, the scoot's there, right inside here. For real. Yeah, dude, run the inside. Come on, doesn't welcome. Oh, there's a school of whatever it is down there. I don't know. I think it's a coulee, but that's pretty cool. The school of a coulee, there has to be some Pupio creams in it. Come here. No! Oh, not what, even! Man? Oh, that sucks, man. Shit! Get some! Oh my god! Oh my god! Last shot! Oh my god! It's a barrel! That barrel! Yeah! Oh, that's as big as aha! Daddy! Yeah! Bro, it's the biggest aha I ever seen, bro, I swear! At least a pound! Oh my gosh! Oh, whoa! Oi! Let's go! On the Tugina 3-inch. Awesome scrapper, dude. Let him go.
Let him grow. Doing release.
Yes, sir, release. And the Molokos today, and upgrade to the Quicksilvers. Tugina. Fat barrel. Big barrel. 1 ounce egg weight. 3 ounce Tidal grubs. Tidal lures, Tugdila. We're about to jump in the water. And the swell picked up and it didn't stop. It's a good thing it never jumped in. Yeah, it's deep, alright?
Oh, it's deep.
Wait, I'm on the rocks. Oh, I think I'm right here on the rocks. Oh! Oh, baby turtle. Oh, the small one. You are on, sir. Uncle Kaulu. Fatty, aha. 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 Fatty. Yeah, bro. Just the same size as mine.
Oh, thank God I got my jig back.
How's it? Give him the foot. There we go.
Major crab.
Got your jigs, bro.
Major crab. Major crab pull. Major crab jig.
Major launchage. Full send.
Oh.
Yeah. Look at that, 540.
Yeah.
Come on, Curbs. What is it? Yeah, Kerbal. Nenui. How should I bet? Do it. What? Oh man. There we go. So this bloodworm is actually a recycled bloodworm from that one video. Yeah. Whoa. What was that, Uncle? The bloodworm. That could have been the rock. Maybe was they're off? Yeah, that was definitely they're off. Kill. 3 o'clock. Probably not the best time to be whipping, but hey. We're at South Point. We never drive 700 miles. Just not fish. Unmanned water bottle in the water. It's a water bottle, but it doesn't belong in the water. I think my next pot I'm gonna get is gonna be one that is not so stiff. Stiffy right here. Stiffalophagus. Stiffleton. Maniac. Hugs! You think so? Hugs! Let's get fish! Congratulations, Kirby. You got the best fish of the day. Slide them. I don't know if I'm on. Right there, something small. Oh, Nui! Small guy. I had to let this one sink so deep. At least 20 something seconds. You know what it is, you guys. Tidal at its finest. We got Yesa and Kaulu, the drone wizard down there. We got Curb. We are now the droneless drone boys. Sunset's in about an hour and a half, so let's get on it. We got the 3-inch lure. Yeah, grabba. Oi! What the heck? Oh, I'm on you, bro. Yeah. Alright, so we got the winner of our very first giveaway. Her name is, or her Instagram name is Pua. Mrs. Pua, sorry.
Mrs. Kua.
Congratulations, Mrs. Pua. Bang. Right on. Congrats, Mrs. Pua. And thank you for everybody who participated. There was so much entries that came in. Blew my mind. Thank you guys. What a beautiful day that our Lord has made. Hookah. Oh, go. Oh, CJ. Yeah, CJ just came. TBD fishing himself. Stuck over here. Ah, oh, there we go. Ah, no. It's stuck. Pass.
I didn't see camera to good match.
Ah, I watched my grub, the leader, twirl around my main line as it was going out. Ew. Oh, why? Windy. Oh, look. Flying fish out there. Look, again, man, the flying fish is moving out there. Yeah, CJ. TBD himself is out there on the rock, risking his life for that ulua. Risking the lives of fishermen to get that tug. Oh, baka go, shimana yung pot. Oh, I lost my lure. Lure is gone. Sad feelings. Sad feels. What happened? Oh, shit. Dude, he just almost lost his GoPro. I think I got that on tape. Right on. I thought he fell off. Hey, Curb. Oh, you're on, Curb. Yeah, Kirby's on. Kirby's on the rocks. Are you on? Yeah, see, Kirby is on. Kirby. That's all Curbs. Bruh. Favorite. My favorite. Pan fry. Pan fry.
Pan fry.
Bird. Low bird. Come on. Nothing on the sunset action. Sunrise and gated. GoPro, stop recording. Nani? Wasn't even recording, but that's cool. Mahanili. All right, at the sunset. Okay, we got some action at sunset. The 3-inch. Oh, something will whack it up. Trying to go here on yourself. Health is wealth. 734. Some patches, whatever we can get. We get the double hook style with the tug dealer. So sick. Any kind of patches or whatever will be action. Hey, look at those goldies just chilling on the bucket. Sick. This man Pachi decided to whack this grabba. Yeah, curves. Action with the tactical flies for the toss. Not in the eye this time. But some big boy. Beautiful indeed. Alright, we got some mums. Oh, guy. Just come in with net fool. Yeah, you.
Hey, look at that one though.
Oh, it's a dozer. What, bro? That's on 11, probably 11 inches right there.
I'm hungry.
Bruh, catch and cook. As fresh as it can get. We were doing catch and cook made shit. I'm on, I got one. Small one, small one. All I eat kind of things right there. Dunk with shrimp last minute. We're gonna clean up this fish right there. Doing good catch and cook. As fresh as it can get. I'm excited for this. Oh, shooting scales at you.
Nah, shoot them all over.
You're a real fisherman when you don't have all your fingers.
Is it true?
All those little bangers missing one finger. Oh, dude. Yeah. She's
Still kicking.
oh, bro, I'm excited for this mapache. I like mop.
So hungry, bro.
Oh, Kurt, thanks for joining the chat. The droneless drone boy chat room. Still alive over there. Don't mind him, dude. I gotta kill him first. I feel bad. Woo! Come on, man, dangerous. Yes, our fishing has joined the chat.
Hey, that's the one.
Bro, that is legitness. Oh, it's still kicking, dude.
Mucky.
DED. So how's life?
Life is good. Waiting for a drone, but you know you can't just stop fishing because you don't have a drone. So
Gotta weep. Oh, what he da? Wait, wait. And VTech over here.
hold better.
Nani? Here we go, boys. Us.
Is
Us. Ooh. Oily today. Oh, how's this fly? Ulu Ramsey. When we say throw them inside, we really mean it. Look at the guts on my hands, so that's how it's even better. Bruh. Me. Then pachi meat, crispy brown. Pretty light. Oh. The Ulu Ramsey over there. Not me. Yeah, so. It's golden like crust on the outside. Main. This tastes so good, dude. God, the moon is out, the sun is coming out. Our camp got swamped. Water came in. Courtney almost went swimming. That's alright. It started whipping. Whoa, coronavirus. Now I'm gonna grab them. 3-inch. Oh, hot a hole. Woo! That's it. We got TVD over there. Yes, sir. Oh. Okay, first cast. Let's see if we can get on the first cast. Here comes the sun. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's first cast.
Oh! Hold it, hold it! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh no, hold it.
Oh.
First cast. Yee. A hole. And the 3-inch grows, bro. That's a deal. What, a slider? My mom's. Alright, where's the VIP pond for Mr. Oh Ho? Oh, Roger. Yee. Bro, I thought I was stuck. On the inside. I think that's the first hold it for the channel, too. Hold up. Oh, on.
Oh!
Yee. But I don't probably. Wahanili. Wahanili. Roger. That's a good size right there. A foot long, 1 foot, yeah. Wahanili. Yee. Wahanili. Wow. Oh! Oh no! Okay, whew. I thought I was gonna hit that rock. 2 fish so far. One hold on, one Wahanili. Oh, that looks like a big wave. Come on! We got the droneless drone boys. No! Yeah. I just like one banger right now. I come by you, Uncle Curb. Hope you don't mind me casting right in front of you. Don't cry. What is that curve? You think so? Ah, no way. Huggy! Huggy! Oh! You should have said Huggy on. Huggy! I know, when Yankees drag a little bit. Deep sea Huggy. What is it, Curbs?
I think it's a fine.
Deep sea! Bruh! What, grind him?
Slimy little bastard.
Woo! Ah, stop the money! Yes, we got what we wanted. A little small. Like, oh, snap, Okay, Raja. You got a moy. Nice little guy. Probably 9 inches. The legal size is 11, but yeah, we got the moy boy. Sick ass shit. How's it? Tug Deal is providing today, you guys. Beautiful moy. A little small, but we'll take it. I'm not gonna take it home, but beautiful guy. Okay, sick. Stoking, you guys. We're getting action. Not the moy, but it works. Surge Ras. Tug Deal provide. Indeed. Caught this one. Let me guess. Kirby. Yes, I was digging. Peace out, Girl Scout.
Peace out.
It's been a minute since somebody had some action today. Yes, Oi.
Oh, there you go.
Some big off.
Oh, it came off.
Bro, I seen your whole band.
I know.
The other than cleaning fish, putting away things is the second best part about fishing. Until next time,
Definitely.
let's get a freaking another mission.
Yeah.
Let's go, CJ. Thanks for coming out. Yeah.
That has got to be.
The voltage is normal.
The voltage is normal.
Disconnect.
Well, you guys, that is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a great time coming out here. It feels nice to leave. Oh, geez. Little bumpage. Whoa. Yeah, so it actually feels pretty nice to leave our side of the island and to get pretty much the furthest away. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when we post another video. And don't forget to comment and tell us what's up. Hit us up. And big mahalo to everybody who participated in our first giveaway. That was pretty killer. Stay tuned for more giveaways in our future. Until next time, you guys, aloha mahalo. Shoot.